We now have some hands-on videos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. These videos show us the real design and size of the phone compared to other phones. They also give us interesting details like charging speed, battery capacity, and what freebies come with it. Hi everyone, Makey here. First, let's clear something up. These are not fake units. These videos show the actual Pixel 9 Pro XL. The videos compare it side by side with the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the top Android phone. When compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, how does the Pixel 9 Pro XL hold up? It's similar in size to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but has smoother, rounded edges instead of sharp ones. Compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is noticeably smaller. It has a 6.7-inch screen, just 0.1 inches smaller than the S24 Ultra, but it feels more compact. This might be perfect for people who want a big screen without the bulk. Here's an interesting design detail. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a matte glass back, while the regular Pixel 9 has a shiny, glossy back. The frames are different too. The Pro XL has a glossy frame, and the regular model has a matte frame. This contrast looks really nice. Overall, the design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks great, except for the big camera bump. There are also real-life images of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This one has mixed reactions. On the positive side, the improvements are clear. The bezels are much smaller, and the crease is barely visible, making it better than some competitors. This is a big improvement in just one version. However, the camera is a bit of a problem. The camera bump is almost as thick as the phone. The new lens layout doesn't help much either. I get that foldable devices have space limitations, but this design choice is a bit odd. Maybe they could have used the camera module from the Pixel 9? Also, we have information on the charging speeds for the entire Pixel 9 lineup. The speeds are a bit faster than the previous models, though not exact. There's also a rumor about a new 45-watt Google-branded charger. Here's the catch. None of the phones seem to support 45-watt charging. But there's more. Reports suggest possible battery downgrades for the Pro XL and the Fold. However, the regular Pixel 9 will have a bigger battery. And there's good news. All Pixel 9 models will come with a free year of Gemini Advanced. This is a big deal because it gives you access to Google's most powerful AI model, which normally costs $20 a month. That's almost $240 in savings. On top of that, you'll also get the benefits of a Google One subscription, including 2 terabytes of cloud storage, usually $10 a month. Check out the Pixel 9 in pink and the new AI features by clicking here. See you there.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes